Hi everyone, I'm Tanay, and today I'll be talking about dividing by 7 in your head. So, let's get started. So, let's talk about unique divisibility by 7. Let's look at a problem. Imagine you have a calendar, and there's 1,764 days, and you need to divide that by 7 to figure out if it's an exact number of weeks. Well, let's look at the different ways you can do that. So, obviously, you can do it the normal method, which is just dividing by 7, subtracting, and eventually you will get your answer, which is 252. But for this, you only need to know if there's a remainder or not. So the normal method will just give you the answer that there is no remainder, and there's 252 weeks. Now, let's look at the trick we can use. So obviously it's divisible. Let's look at the trick we can use. So you take 1764. And as you can see, I've colored the 4 a different color. So now we take both of these numbers and we split it by the units digit. So we take 176 to one side and the 4 to the other side, and we multiply the 4 by 2. This gets us 176 and 8, and then we subtract the 2, like so. And now our answer is 168. And now we can check the divisibility of 168 by 7. Since it's still not too obvious that 168 is divisible by 7, we can do this trick again. We move the units digits and multiply by 2, and the 16 we just move down. So we'll get 16 minus 8 times 2, which is 16. And that's 0. And 0 is divisible by 7. So we've also found out that it's divisible. Now, let's do some more practice with this trick. So, 7. Let's look at the trick. This time we're going to use 1042. So we take units digit multiplied by 2 and we just move down the rest of the number. We'll get 104 minus 4. Now we get 100. And at this point, you can just realize that 100 is not divisible by 7. And you can stop right here and just claim that it's not divisible. You don't need to continue all the other steps. Let's look at another method. Let's look at another example. 7,238. So we move 723 down and then multiply 8 times 2. Subtract them. We get 707. And again, we can stop early because we know 707 is easily divisible by 7. It's just 101. So we can stop here and figure out that it's divisible. However, you can still continue with this trick if you really want to double check and make sure you're right. So, thank you for listening. I really hope you liked my video and hope to catch you next time. Bye.